The Engberts test matrix is an innovation in the field of electrical test systems. Engberts GmbH has been holding the Europe-wide patent for this technology since 2007. The Engberts test matrix is a test system used for the production and testing of wire harnesses, which is based on a switching matrix. Advantages: similar hardware components make it possible to cover a very broad spectrum of test jobs. The Engberts test matrix is able to accurately detect electrical and non-electrical variables. The test system can even be upgraded for high voltages of up to 1500 volts. The test bench comprises 3 levels: the bench elements, the module holder, and the test modules, which can all be positioned individually. The heart of the innovation is a high-speed switch matrix. It links the electronics inside the modules with the master computer via CAN bus. This technology makes this test bench extremely versatile. Whether backplane tests, component tests or high-voltage tests, thanks to the modularity of the system, virtually every conceivable test job can be quickly simulated and solved. Carrying out conventional wire harness tests also does not pose a problem. With the Engberts test matrix, conversion times are reduced to a minimum. Thus, at the time of order change, the conversion will already pay off for the smallest quantities. The computer-aided test system works with a database-supported user software designed for Windows, the so-called ETM control. When the production job is scanned, the sophisticated software requires that all 3 test bench levels are correctly assembled. The elements are easily set up. The Engberts test matrix automatically ensures the correct placement of the individual modules and test adapters. Gold-plated test probes and a pneumatically operated housing interlock prevent any damage on the plugs upon contact. Once all plugs are connected, the Engberts test matrix will check the wire harness for possible failures. Short circuits as well as connection of component failures are reliably detected due to the fast measurement electronics. The complete repair history of the specimen is therefore transparent and traceable at any given time. The sophisticated quality data module facilitates the classification of any identified failure and subsequently leads to an improvement of the production process. The system will eject the faultless specimen immediately after all failures have been eliminated. The Engberts test matrix learns new test jobs quickly and without any problems. The testing programs are easily set up and administered. The modular system design facilitates the conversion. The cross-linking of the test adapter with a master computer speeds up the otherwise complex conversion process from one test job to another. The Engberts test matrix does not have a wiring level. Time-consuming adapter wiring by technicians are a thing of the past, and the training requirement for operating personnel is minimal. Once the test job is set up, the ETM control automatically stores not only the connection data in a database, it also stores the precise assembly of test modules down to the last centimeter. The capability of the Engberts test matrix is not limited to check finished specimen. Assembling and laying wire harnesses is also supported. For this purpose, the modules are first fitted with the corresponding plugs. Now, semi-finished cables as well as single wires can be assembled to a new wire harness on the test bench. The system will display each individual step during the process. The Engberts test matrix can be modified to meet customer requirements. The modules of Engberts GmbH are also compatible with common standard or single adapters. If the name of the plug type is stored in the adapter, it can be fitted into any module. The electronics of the module will be configured automatically. The Engberts test matrix can be assembled from various single components. Each test bench can be modified to meet the requirements of the customer. As a medium-sized company, Engberts has the flexibility needed to implement virtually any conceivable product requirement. Planning and design according to special customer needs are handled and performed by the engineers at the office located in Edewecht. The number of the production order and the quantities can, for example, already be incorporated in the system. Cable length measuring or quality assurance labels in form of a data matrix can be added as well when needed. Engberts GmbH will be pleased to implement all extras for its customers. These and many more. Engberts test matrix, the world first in the field of electronic test systems.